Have you ever wondered which trading tool is better? Today, we're comparing Bookmap and Sierra Chart. Both are popular platforms for traders, but they serve different needs. Both Bookmap and Sierra Chart help traders analyze markets and make informed decisions. They provide charts, data, and tools to understand price movements. But how do they differ? Let's start with Bookmap. This tool is known for its unique heat map feature. It shows real-time market liquidity. You can see where orders are placed and how the market is moving. This helps traders spot potential price changes quickly. Bookmap is user-friendly and visually appealing, making it easy to understand for beginners. Now, let's look at Sierra Chart. This platform is more traditional but very powerful. It offers advanced charting tools and a wide range of indicators. Traders can customize their charts in many ways. Sierra Chart is great for those who want deep analysis and flexibility in their trading strategies. So, what are the key differences? Bookmap focuses on real time liquidity visualization, while Sierra Chart is all about detailed charting and customization. If you want to see market depth at a glance, Bookmap is your best bet. If you prefer extensive analysis tools, Sierra Chart is the way to go. When it comes to features, Bookmap shines with its heat map and order flow tools. Sierra Chart stands out with its extensive indicators and customizability. In terms of pricing, both platforms have different plans. Bookmap has options based on features, while Sierra Chart tends to be more affordable for those who need basic tools. In conclusion, if you are a visual trader who needs quick insights, choose Bookmap. If you want detailed analysis and customization, go for Sierra Chart. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.